We realised that post-trade needed a fundamental change. Parts of the process were too costly and too fragmented.
TradeAgent is a new, centralised OTC derivatives processing platform. It's built from scratch to support multiple asset classes. It's a new dawn for post-trade.
We're reimagining post-trade operations, eliminating inefficiencies and streamlining workflows with centralised, trusted data.
At its core, TradeAgent delivers end-to-end trade lifecycle management through 3 powerful services.
Trade confirmation and routing, a central authoritative data store, and calculation and settlement of bilateral cash flows.
Adopted together, they help increase resilience, allow users to scale, and provide cost savings in an industry that spends over $20 billion a year on post-trade.
We knew that we couldn't put patches on legacy systems. We needed new and innovative technology. LSEG is uniquely positioned to deliver this. Alongside our proven expertise in delivering core market infrastructure, we've built TradeAgent in collaboration with the largest buy and sell side firms. As part of post-trade solutions, TradeAgent can seamlessly connect with clearing and optimization services that can operate directly off of the authoritative data, driving even greater efficiencies.
We're in quite a unique spot, and I think that we really have an opportunity to genuinely make change.
We believe that TradeAgent really sets a new standard.
It's a new dawn for post-trade.